I have a Samsung A520 on my desk and cell phone telling itself why it's here. So look at the front screen and the back glass, both are done. So let's just start from the back first. Heat up a little bit and you can easily peel off because it's all broken. Watch your hand, and after unscrew you can take out plastic. That there are a couple of pieces of plastic, but no need to take out the down one. You can only lift up, and then you can this is a power. Volume up is also a little bit not good, but I'll try to fix it. So this is a screen. So let's open. It's a A520. So let's open and see it's with the frame or without. This is a without frame, so I have to open from the front. So let's heat up the screen from the front to take out all the stuff and put the new one. So heat it on the sides, and you can start on the bottom, on sides. So I normally start from the bottom. It's easy. So watch your hand. Is a very little piece of glass. You can hurt yourself, so be careful with that. So it has a glue right there, and you can easily take out from the sides because everything is already broken. So let's remove this first glass, and this is a actually display thing, and it is also crunchy, so be careful with that. So you can see the lots of parts on my work desk. So there is a big, it has a tape on the top also, and you'll find when you remove this, you will find on the top this is a metal thing which cover your earpiece. So let's clean it so the customer can hear properly. So after installing that, has a double-sided tape. So let's remove this. Let's peel off this thing and gently place to the align properly, so then you can easily connect the connectors. So I just do these things for the metal plate, so you can align properly for the LCD. Make sure connect your connector first, and then you can easily place the LCD on the right place. So that's the look at this. It's properly aligned and home button is pressing. That's perfect. So let's connect the battery and put the back glass, back cover I mean. So the phone is turned on. Let's check the touch before final stuff. So let's put the back glass. Here is a back glass. I found the black one. So here's a camera lens missing, which is on the older one. So I install everything, and this is a final thing I'm doing right now. So properly aligned, because it has the properly aligned, so you will not so please like and subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you very much.